When you find professionals, staff members who are employees, contributing something towards the needy and those who need help, it is a sign of great magnanimity, and we really appreciate for joining with us. As you know, this pandemic is a game changer because nobody knows what it is, nobody knows where it is taking us, but it has forced people to be displaced. People, as the chairman has said, there is a lot of distress, and when we empathize with those people who are in suffering and offer something to reduce that distress, it is very philanthropic, and we really appreciate. It is the hope of His Excellency the Governor that those who have, at this time when people are suffering, that those who are able to help those who are unable. That is our policy, and we have already started a fund, a county fund, where we are asking for help, and we have got a lot of help, even from even from very humble people. Everybody who has something, they have contributed. Members of staff, even the highest, the junior, members of the public, the business community, professionals, institutions, they have come and contributed. And you go down to what is happening in the villages. It has helped a lot of people to survive who otherwise would not have known what to do.
So therefore, what we have, Mr. CS, today is that we are honored to be here. We really appreciate this. And as my colleague have said once again, this is our HR month, and I would like to let you know that it is happening right now. It is happening collectively in all the county, in our national country, because we would like to let them know that we are existing, we are there, we value what the counties are doing, and at the end of the day, we actually want to partner. So with this particular regime of our Excellency, Mr. Mutahi Kahiga, we would like him to know through you, Mr. CS, that we would really like to partner with this county. IHRM have the capacity to be able to build the capacity with the county government. We are there in all areas. We can actually be able to work together with your public service board, and we will be able to eliminate some of these things that normally happens when it comes to the employee relations. So with that, given an opportunity, we are glad and we are available. And our national chair told me to say that every single minute that he will be required to come and meet the governor and his team, he will broadly be able to say exactly what I've said, that IHRM is willing, available to work with the county government.
So this year's celebration being in consideration of holistic wellness, we as Mount Kenya North Branch, we thought that we should also tap in and be able to support people who are maybe having a strain during this period. Now, as we were thinking about that, we actually got to hear about what Nyeri County was doing in regards to that. And having Elizabeth on board, she was able to give us the broader picture of this program, and we thought it's something that we would tap into and be able to support, and just give a small token of appreciation from the IHRM to the people of Nyeri. At least we'll be able to support some families, have something to eat during this period,